Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to write vertically like this on Google Sheet. Actually, it's really easy to do. First, for example, you want to example writing. I will type like this, and then you just tap or click on your cells, and then click here. There is a text rotation feature, and then you can see there are option of none, tilt up, tilt down, and then stack vertically, and then rotate up, rotate down. So I choose for the vertically. But if you mean that you want to vertical writing is about the line break, what you have to do is just press Alt and Enter. So this is line, press Alt and Enter, and then break. Now this is different. It's separated by line break using Alt and Enter. Okay, that's it. This tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching.